Hello everyone, welcome back to our hub. In this video, we will see the latest job notification from Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO), and the laboratory name is ITR, also called Integrated Test Range. And this laboratory is situated at Odisha. And this job notification was released on 1st of November 2021, and the last day to apply for this for the job is 15th of November. And for this job, both bachelors in engineering as well as diploma holders can apply for this post. Okay, and this is a graduate apprentice training or graduate trainee, and your salary will be mostly less than 10,000. Okay, so you can see here the maximum stipend will be 9,000 per month. And this job is for candidates who passed out in the respective engineering discipline in 2019, 2020 and 2021. Those who qualified before that are not eligible to apply for this job, and those who are having post graduation in the particular field of study are also not eligible to apply for this post. Okay, so regarding aeronautical or aerospace, you can see here those who have the qualification in BE Tech in aerospace engineering, we have two posts and the maximum salary is above mentioned as 9,000 rupees. Those who are having diploma in different field of studies also are eligible to apply for this post. How do you apply for this post? This through online mode. First of all, you have to register in this website www.mhrd.nats.gov.in. Okay, so those who are trying to apply in this training in ISRO, DRDO, HAL, something like that, they have to register in this particular website. Okay, and after that you can see the terms and conditions. Just read out that. I will be providing the link in the description box. Then after that, you have to go to this website ric.gov.in, and you can register for this particular job. Okay, and there will be written examination. All these things will be intimated through your mail if you are eligible for that. And just read out this notification. I'll be providing this particular document in the description box. Okay, so try to share this video to most of your friends and try to use this opportunity. Thank you for listening. Take care.